Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the deleted URL actually unreachable. Configure your server to return a 410 gone, preferred, or 404 not found. Once done, remove every internal link and strip the URL from XML sitemaps so Google stops discovering it. Make sure both www and non-www, HTTP and HTTPS versions return the same 410/400 for response. Inconsistent signals delay removal and confuse crawling behavior. Next, go to Google Search Console and use the Removals tool to request urgent removal of the exact URL. This hides the snippet quickly while the index updates. While the removal is temporary, about 6 months, the real, permanent signal is the 410/400 for response you already set. You should also request a recrawl of the parent pages and resubmit an updated sitemap to accelerate reindexing and ensure no backlinks keep the URL discoverable. Finally, verify removal by running URL inspection in Search Console. Confirm Google's live test shows a 410 or 404 and note the last crawl date. Once verified, monitor search results in server logs. If the URL persists, check for backlinks or cached copies and request link removals or use the temporary removal again. If problems continue, confirm there are no redirects back to the URL. And be patient. Google drops properly signaled deleted pages after recrawl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.